Today I'd like to show you how to determine the shape of a 3-atom molecule, assuming that you know what the Lewis structure is. The basis for this is the valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, or VSEPR. VSEPR assumes that electron pairs are repulsive to each other. They don't want to be near each other. So if there's electrons that are in a pair because they're bonding electrons, or because they're lone pairs, they're the non-bonding electrons that are required to give an atom its complete stable octet, they are repulsive of each other. So let's consider OF2 to start out. If you notice, it's got oxygen with 2 lone pairs, and those lone pairs are repulsive to the bonds that are being formed with the fluorine. So, according to the repulsion theory, they're going to push down on those fluorine bonds, and the resulting shape will be bent. Those 2 electron pairs push down on the electrons that are bonding the oxygen together with the fluorine, and you end up with a bent shape. So the thing I focused on was the middle atom. Well, what if there's only 1 lone pair in the middle, like sulfur dioxide? It's also repulsive. It's going to be repelling the double bond on one side and the single bond on the other, and you'll end up with another bent molecule because of that 1 lone pair that's up there. So if there are 1 or 2 lone pairs on the central atom, you're going to end up with a bent shape. But what if there aren't any lone pairs that are on the central atom, like in carbon dioxide? Carbon already has its 8 electrons because of the 2 double bonds it forms with oxygen, which leaves no repulsion in the middle. Since there's no repulsion in the middle, the oxygens bonding on either side with the double bonds, those bonds will repel each other, and you'll end up with a linear molecule. So you'll just have a repeat of the Lewis structure. It will be linear. So the key to figuring out whether a 3-atom molecule is going to be bent or linear is to look at the middle atom and see if there are any lone pairs. If there are lone pairs, it will be bent, either 1 or 2. If there are no lone pairs, the molecule will be linear.